finesse or a lob, just know that we manage that dish like Klopp. Us men are ballers, like Crispus, might BCB like Chris's. Like Chris, I'm talking about Smalling. Play with tech and vision, you man try to turn up that's a falling. Difference, we no talkers, call us walkers. Play with flavors like Crispus, might BCB like Chris's. Like Chris, I'm talking about Smalling. Play with tech and vision, you man try to turn up that's a falling. Us men are balling, yeah I said it, us men are balling. Enter the league, yeah we stalking. Trying to get wins and scoring. Hit full throttle, that's flooring. You man part the bus, Jose boring. Due to be Tory, play with tech and vision. You man try to turn up that's a balling. Us men are balling, yeah I said it, us men are balling. Enter the league, yeah we stalking. Trying to get wins and scoring. Hit full throttle, that's flooring. You man part the bus, Jose boring. Due to be touring. YouTube vids in the morning. Leading the way for the youngers, cause we never had help from the olders. We protect our ish like bumpers, ain't trying to see the feet like soldiers. We united like Barmy Army, right now it's a Marty party. Cause he banged in the volley of heartbeat. Safe to say they got played off the park sheet.
Take notes, let's go, come on. Hey.
Hey, two. Communicate. Yeah. Turn. Yeah. Good play, boys. Play on. Come here. Come on.
I'm not one to keep cheating the whistle. You get any problems throughout the game, just come and talk to me. Do you want me to run the line on my own?
Yeah, I think that'll probably be better.
Yeah.
Stop a few
with offsides, boys, 85% I'll get right. I'm going to be honest with you. You can't be in.
Can you ref us for the open again?
I can't, be in two places at once. I'll try my best for you. Okay, just go with my decisions on offsides. If anyone tells me to fuck off, I'll be telling them to fuck off. It's as simple as that. Right? Yeah. Play well. Have fun. See you later.
So lads, I hope I'm not about to talk a load of nonsense to you lot, and I hope you have a basic understanding of football. So simple as when we're attacking, fullbacks should be pushing up towards the outlet. However, personally, one of the midfield should just be a little bit behind, just in case they need to help to cover the defence. Yeah, because obviously with the fullbacks going forward, we're opening ourselves up. So that's why you got the key, huh?
Basically creating a back through.
Basically creating a back through.
Basically,
right?
the centre back split and the CDM drops. That's how
exactly. I'm not trying to change it too much, right? So that's the basics of attacking, yeah? That's also, like I'm going back to what I said a minute ago, hard work and communication is so fucking vital. Yeah, if me and him end up having to get onto you during the course of this game, to be fair, I think we're just going to pull you. That's the way I think the easier way for us to do it. Don't get fucking pulled. It's pre-season at the end of the game, yeah? Got a point to prove, right? But now on the flip side to this, yeah, defending. I'm not saying flat, because obviously I personally like my fullbacks to almost have them options just in the passing lanes to be open, yeah? There should be some sort of drop. I personally like this kind of look, because all of a sudden we've got outlets, yeah? So you have a quick counter, get down the far end of the pitch. Reality of it is, yeah? Pass is on, the pass is on, right? However, I personally want us to get into their fucking half as soon as we win the ball, yeah? There's no point us having the ball in our half. What are we going to achieve with it? Possession stats? What the fuck is that in today's football? Get the possession in their half, but obviously be killer with that fucking ball, yeah?
Listen, boys, man. Big game, big players, fight for each other, the right energy, the right vibe, yeah. Go out there, party, enjoy yourself, yeah. We come back with a win, yeah, and make sure you have each other's backs, yeah. On 3 dogs. 1, 2, 3, dogs!
Boom, welcome back to the Underdogs YouTube channel. We're back again. Today we're playing against a team called AFC Rose. It's pre-season. We're back again, guys. It's been a long time. Missed you guys. Looking forward to the new season. As you can see, we've got a new kit. This is our kit for the new season. Got the pink and purple going on there. Shout out to Kit Lord for supplying our goods and designing our kit for us. Listen, let's get into it. We're playing against a team called AFC Rose. We don't know much about them. We know they're a good side. I believe they're in the Division 1 in the Barnet Sunday League. Yeah, let's get into it now. Zakaria in there with a great save. He's looking for his options. He's having to go long and kick the ball. Pings it into Shaw. AFC Rose won their battle there. Jay on the ball. Passes it into Anis. The ball's gone quite wide. Anis managed to get the ball back. Great feet there. Passes the ball out wide to D. D's looking for that option. Cuts it back into Anis. Anis into Jay. Jay just passes it out wide into Brad. Brad's going for the run. He's gone through one player. Gone through 2, 3. Unlucky there. It's a goal kick for AFC Rose. He looks for the short option into their centre back. Centre back passes back to their left back. He's looking for his option. No one's coming to him. As you can see, they're comfortable on the ball. They're passing that ball about, popping it back, getting the feel of it. Great interception there from Louis. Louis looking for the option into Abdul. Strength there on the ball. Oh, look at that. Great feet. He managed to get the ball back. Eldrick passes the ball into Jay. Jay just passed it back into Brad. Brad's going for the run again. Great pass into Anis. Great turn from Anis. Beautiful pass there from Anis into Tommy. Tommy whips it in. Unlucky there. Great effort. That's a corner there for the Underdogs. Wilson taking the corner. Whips the ball into box. Sean headers the ball. And that's gone in there for a goal. Brilliant goal there from a set piece. Corner taken from Flips. Look at the replay here. Great effort there from the boys. It's 1-0 to Underdogs. We go again. FC Rose is popping up all about. Obviously, guys, this is pre-season, so you're going to see a lot of players from both sides all being rusties. But it's our first game with the pre-season on a hot day. FC Rose moving up all around nicely. Decent match to intercept into Abdul. Beautiful pass from Abdul to Sean. Sean just quite couldn't handle it there. FC Rose on the ball. As you can see, got a quick counter attack. The striker's running. Curran's coming out. We're lucky there, just gone wide. We got really lucky there. Great effort there from FC Rose. As you can see, the striker's quite quick and rapid. It's a free kick there from FC Rose. Whip ball in. Louis just managed to grab that. No issues there. Great battling there between FC Rose still in the ball. Oh, beautiful feet there. Pass that wide. Whip the ball into the box. Oh, is he about to volley? Takes a shot. Unlucky there. Caron. Big kick from the keeper. Abdul on the ball. Whips the ball long into Tommy. Unlucky there. The defender managed to get the ball back. Great effort from Abdul. Great ball then to Tommy. Tommy's running out wide. Just gone a bit too wide. What's he going to do? Pings the ball into the box. There's just no one there at the other end. Great effort there from Louis getting in front of his man. Passes the ball down to D. D's on the ball. Oh, just managed to get past his player. But FC Rose managed to defend that ball really well. They're on the counter attack now. Wilson trying to get that ball back. That's a great battle there. I don't think they're playing like that, pulling back one of our players. It's just a bit too quick for him. Keeper looks for the short. Pass it into centre back. Centre back passes to the right back. He's looking for that option. Passes it down the line, but D managed to intercept. We're hunting them down. That's what I like to see from the boys. We managed to get that ball back. Jay on the ball. Pass it into Flips. Oh, dirty there. Thank you, ref. We'll take that all day long. It's a free kick from Flips. Flips steps up, whips the ball in, but no one managed to get onto the end of the ball. We've got to do a lot better there. Keeper's looking for that option. He's trying to go short, but in the end he's having to do a kick. Big kick there from their keeper. Just gone over our back line. Curran comes out, headers the ball. Great effort, Brad in the ball's getting chased down. Unlucky there. AFC Rose managed to intercept it. Oh, great effort from Brad, gets the ball back. Jay into Abdul. Abdul on the ball. Looks out wide, passes into Anis. Anis into Jay. What's Jay got? Passes the ball wide into Tommy. Great challenge there from them. Great challenge there. It's a throw for the Dogs. Bradley the ball. Pass it into Tommy. Tommy whips the ball into the box, and their keeper managed to come out and save the ball in time. You know they like to look for the short, so we're going to mark early. No, we ain't. They've passed it to the centre back. Centre back's looking for his option. Pass into number 14. 14 is looking up. Passes it back to their centre back, and they pass it back to the keeper. As you can see, man, they're comfortable at the back. They don't mind popping that ball about. AFC Rose on the ball still. Oh, great feet there from the lad, but we managed to get the ball back. Abdul running with the ball. Oh, what a pass back into Abdul. Pass into Flips. What's Flips got into Anis? Anis, can he take a shot? Oh, what a turn. And they managed to defend that ball quickly by chasing the AFC Rose player down. But he's managed to keep it on. Number 15, he's making a run. Whips the ball into their player, and that's gone in. Great effort there from AFC Rose. That makes it 1-1. AFC Rose passing in the back as usual. Passing into the midfield. The player holds it up, pings it off to one of their players. Through ball. Great effort. Number 10 takes a shot. Great block there from Kyron. Great header again. I don't know what it is today, but he's loving them headers.
He wants to play.
So throw for FC Rose. He's got a long throw there into the box. Headers the ball over. Tries to back heel it. D just clears that ball, just not far enough. Number 14 takes a shot, and Kyron managed to block that. Great effort there from the keeper. It's a corner for FC Rose. Their first corner of the game. So we've got to see how we've got to defend against this. Front post. Oh, great save there from the keeper. We got lucky there. It's a quick ball released out into D. D's making his run. Great ball into Flips. Flips just couldn't quite handle that ball coming into him. AFC Rose midfield is looking for his option. Passes it out wide. Number 14. Wow, what a ball. Great through ball there. And Kyron just managed to come out to grab the ball safely. It's another corner for AFC Rose. It's a big kick there front post. Managed to clear it. Oh, great effort there. Unlucky. They managed to intercept the ball. The ball's back out wide into one of their players. Looks like he's about to whip the ball in. Whips the ball in. Oh, Kyron just managed to put his hand to it. A great clearance there from Abdul. It's a throw for FC Rose. Flips from the ball. Ball's gone out wide to Tommy. What a pass. Great pass. Can he beat his man one-on-one? And they managed to defend well again. Great effort there from the defender.
In July.
It's a throw-in. Zaki taking it. Great throw into Flips. Flip passes it into Tariq. Oh, great feed there from Tariq. They're battling it out. Ah, ref, come on, that was a bit soft, that. But we go again. It's a throw-in for FC Rose. Flips, great battle there from Flips. Great ball down the wing there. Mams is running. Looks over, whips the ball into the box, into Tommy. Tommy takes a shot, and Lucky's hit the side of the net. Throwing for the Dogs there, into Louis. Louis looking for his option, just keeps it simple. David on the ball. Passing into Abdul. Abdul into Tariq. Oh, what great feet into David. Oh, look at that, beautiful there. That was naughty. What can he do? Oh my God, leave it out. Come on. Unlucky there. It's a free kick for Rose. The number 5 taking it. Big kick. Pings it into the box. Oh, what a header from Louis there. Great defending. They take a shot and it's just gone over the crossbar. It's another corner for them. Big corner there from themselves. Gone back post. Can we clear that out of the box? Safe hands there from Kyron. Kyron looks for the short option into Abdul. Abdul's looking up. Pink little chip there over into Zaki. What Zaki got? Great pass there down the line into Mams. So throwing here for the Dogs, Eldrip. Throws the ball into Tariq. Great battle there. Flips on the ball. Back to Tariq again. Passing to Zaki. Tommy to Eldrip. As you can see, we're popping that ball about, moving it back, taking our time, not rushing. Flips. Unlucky there. Great feet. Oh, look at that, beautiful. Tricky. Takes a shot. Oh, sold me a dream. Takes a shot. Unlucky there. Jesus. Sold me a dream there. Pull into the box. We're trying to defend it, trying to clear it. Oh my God. So the ball's come off their player's arm. As you can see here, you should be able to see in the replay. As it's come off the player's arm, it's just gone into these feet and it's just gone into the back of the net. So it's an on goal. Unlucky there. So that makes it 2-1 to AFC Rose. We've got to somehow try and get that goal back now. The long throw in here from the Dogs. Counter attack from AFC Rose. Gone through. Abdul comfortable on that ball. There you go. Game management. Love that quick one there. Into Zaki. Zaki into Abdul. Abdul into Tariq. Tariq's looking out wide. Beautiful pass there into Tommy. What's Tommy got? Crosses the ball. Oh, great defender there from AFC Rose. Just managed to put his body on the line. There's a corner full of Dogs. Can we get anything out of this? Big kick. We're head of the ball. Well defended there from AFC Rose. So throwing for AFC Rose. The number 9, big fella on the ball, holding that ball. Strong lad. We managed to get the ball back. Tariq tries to chip the keeper. It's just gone over the crossbar. Unlucky, great effort. Quick one there from Bradley to Abdul. Abdul into Tariq. Just sold him a dream there. Centre man shops. Great ball there. Oh, wow, beautiful. Tommy, can he finish? And the keeper's apparently is offside there. It's a throw for FC Rose. Long throw in there into the box. Managed to clear that ball out. Oh, look at that. Just chipped him. Beautiful ball out wide into Tommy. Tommy's running down. There's a great effort there from the centre back. Managed to get the ball, and I think Tommy just retaliated by giving him a kick from behind. Just want to shout out and big up our proud sponsors, Marathi Barbers. The trims are different. Level 10-10. When you leave that Barbers, you feel like a new man. Irie flavours. The food is so good. Make you want to smack your mama. Seriously, go and check them out. Leaves you speechless. PhD, Parson Housing Development. Yeah, they're best in the game when it comes to the building. Extensions, landscaping, roofing, you name it. Kit laws. The kits are unreal. Best in the game. Check them out.
Much more. Yeah, there needs to be a bit more communication. Yeah, and boys, honestly, yeah, if you're going to go through a man, go through a man. If you need help defending against someone, talk to that person. As an example, I don't know, say someone's coming bang through the middle and they got, I'm in midfield and Louis down there. Louis, help me. Call it in. Make it easier on yourselves, but make sure you're not pulling yourselves out to too many different positions where you're opening up space for them just to go into. That happened a little bit too often. That's what made it easy for them. Because the reality of it is, if I'm truthfully honest, down this right-hand side, Brad had one hell of a fucking half trying to play at full-back, but he had so much space, he'd end up with an overload or 2 or 3. That's where the winger does need to help out and the midfielder does need to help out. Yeah, but I'm talking about defending here, but I don't think we should defend in the next 45 in the sense that we should have that ball and we should fucking play our game. Do we all agree with that? Yeah? If we have that ability to keep hold of that ball and play better, that these lot, yeah, they can break on the counter, let them break on the counter. That's 50-50 at that point.
It hasn't been a bad half.
Boom. Let's get back into it. Second half now. AFC Rose 2, Underdogs 1. Let's see if we can get back into this game now. After what the gaffer has told us and spoken to the team, he explained where we're going wrong and what we need to be doing. David on the ball, out wide into D. Oh, D just beat his man differently. Oh, great ball then to Tommy. Tommy looks up. Unlucky there with the pass. AFC Rose on the ball. They've been number 9. Big fella. Passing into number 10. D collects that ball back. Looks up. Passes it into Zaki. Zaki's running the ball. Ball goes into Anas. All over the place a little bit. Great pass there into D from Anas. D looks up into David. David takes a shot. Opa! Hey, caramba.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Look at this. Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
I said I wasn't going to do it, but I'm sorry, David. It had to be done. AFC Rose playing it short again. Ping the ball out to the left-hand side into their winger. Great ball. Intercept. Great challenge there from David, but the player managed to get free still. Pass the ball out wide to the number 7. Number 7 cuts back. Great feet there from the number 7. And Louis comes over to intercept. Great defending there from Louis. Throwing there, quick throw from the Dogs. Oh, look at that. Look at that. So composed on the ball. Just left him. Player giving up. Pings the ball out wide. But AFC Rose managed to intercept that. D got the ball back off him. Oh, just gets weights. I'm sorry, D. I had to leave that in there. Abdul, the big bro, comes over to help him out. Great battle there. They ping the ball long. We managed to get that ball back. Abdul into Zaki. Zaki looks up, passes into Tariq. Tariq into Mams. Oh, great ball into David. Anas, sorry. Unlucky there. Tariq in the ball, passing to Abdul. They're popping the ball about, which is good. Oh, little fake. Oh, unlucky there with the shot. Unlucky, great effort. Keeper's ball, he's looking up. You know what he's going to do. I don't know why we ain't stopped this from happening. All games been happening, playing it short. The centre back passes it out to the left back. Left back just goes back to the centre back again. We're pressing, forcing him into it, making an error. Tariq on the ball. Zaki passes it back into Louis. Out wide to D. D gives it to Caron. Caron on the ball. He's moving the ball around slowly. Caron on the ball again. Where's his option? There you go. Abdul back to Caron. Just testing the waters. Big kick there from Caron out wide. Ooh, put him in danger there. AFC Rose in the counter attack. Ball into their striker. Striker's looking up. Passing into number 7. Number 7 passing to 14. 14 is looking to whip the ball into the box, but Louis managed to get his head in the way. AFC Rose battling out there. They pass the ball out wide. Players looking for that short pass. Down the wing again. Great effort there from AFC Rose. Can we stop them from getting into the box? Looks like just both teams are just popping the ball around, seeing who's going to make the mistake first. Great pass in there. Oh, great pass there from AFC Rose. Great battle there from Brad. Solid. David. Brilliant ball there into D. D's going for the run. Just got blocked. David chasing that ball down. Keeper comes out. Is that a foul or not? Let us know. D on the ball. Pass out to Tariq. Tariq to Abdul. Abdul looks up, pings the ball. Oh, what a ball. Great effort there. Oh, ref. Come on. Let us know, is that foul as well? It's a corner here for the Underdogs. See if we can make something from this. Big kick, headed the ball from Carlo. Unlucky, great effort there from Carlo. New striker, new signing. You'll see him a lot more often. It's a free kick for FC Rose. Big kick, just over the crossbar. It was a great effort there. Playing it short into Louis. Louis into Zaki. Makes it look too easy. Tariq, great effort there with the ping. Out wide, what a ball. What, oh my God. No way, no way, no way, no way. Alright, listen, when them lot link up, yeah, it's a different level. Davis on the ball. Lucky lost the ball there. FC Rose in the counter-attack. Pass the ball out wide for their number 4. Oh, great ball down the channel. Curran comes out and collects the ball. Tariq on the ball again. Pass into Abdul. Abdul back to Tariq. Zaki pings the ball out wide into Carlo. What a touch there from Carlo. Carlo whips the ball up top. Oh, into Tommy's chest. Oh, unlucky there. He struggled to control a little bit. Great effort there from the boys. FC Rose playing it short again to number 5. Goes long with the ball. D's there to collect it into Tommy. Oh, beautiful ball there from Tommy into come on, ref, that wasn't offside. Great effort there from Tommy. Great reading from Carlo. It's still 2-1 at this present time. This centre back pings the ball out wide. Great ball into their player. Great battle there. That's what I like to see. The ball's gone into them. Great effort from Tyrone. Managed to come out to clear it. Don't know what their player was doing there, but then number 5 just saved his ass. Playing that wide, whipped the ball into the box. And Abdul's got that ball. Showed him a dream there. He's just so chilled on the ball. Great ping out wide into Tommy. Oh, what a ball. What can Tommy do? 101, goes to the left, whips it in or takes a shot. And the keeper's got that. So a throw for the Dogs into Carlo. Oh, great turn from AC Rose. We managed to get the ball back. Great feet from Zaki. Oh, come on, ref. Dirty, mate. Listen, when you get beaten and you get done and twisted up, just accept it. It is what it is. No need for that. You get me? FC Rose, short one. That's a great interception there from Lee Carter. Lee Carter's lost the ball. FC Rose in the counter-attack. And number 7 on it. He's marking him, trying to push him away. The lads are coming over. Flips. Unlucky there. Number 10 managed to win the battle. Pass it back out to 7 into the box. Whips it in. Great effort there from Tyrone. It's another corner for AFC Rose. Great corner there. Can we defend that? Louis chasing the ball down. They whip the ball back into the box. Oh my God. Great goal there. They whip the ball in. Player comes steaming in. Head the ball back of the net. That's 3-1 to AFC Rose. Number 16 with a long throw. Headed the ball over. We managed to grab that. Lee Carter clears the ball. Carlo chasing the ball down. Keeper kicks the ball. It's back into the Dogs' feet. Tariq pings the ball out wide. Great ball again. Vision. We whip the ball into the box. Oh, unlucky there. Carlo couldn't get onto the end of it. Flips. Passing to David. David whips the ball in. Abdul chasing that down. Great battle there. Wins his battle. Ref says play on. Oh, so chilled. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Unlucky there. Keeper comes down, collects. Keeper trying to time waste there. It's 3-1 to FC Rose. Tyrone passes that wide to Louis. Louis into Lee Carter. Back into Louis again. Goes back into Flips. Flips into David. David's going for that run. Beats his player. Beep, beep. He's gone. Takes a shot. Unlucky. Carlo. Oh, come on, ref. So there's a few decisions there. I think it's been a bit shaky. As it's coming to an end, I just want to say, guys, we'll be putting footage out week in, week out. This is our first pre-season game. A lot more to come. We'll give you lots some details and info on our division for this season. We'll be playing Division 4 in the Barnet Sunday League, and we'll keep you guys up to date. Just make sure you keep an eye out for the new content coming out week in, week out. Make sure you like and subscribe. I appreciate you guys watching.